Hi class. Today we are going to do the template file in AutoCAD that's due on February 15th. We're going to start with our pre-existing door file. We're going to open that up in AutoCAD and erase all of the stuff in here. The erase command, you type in E, put your window around it, or you can also select it the other way and erase the command. Your objects are no longer needed. I want to do a save as. Call it the template. I'm going to call mine arc template. You call yours your template with your initials on it. And notice that we're not saving it as a template file yet, but right now we're still working on setting up the file to the standard way which we would like to start our architectural project. So we're going to set our units. They are architectural. We want the precision to be 1/16 going forward. And we want to set our limits based on doing a quarter scale file. So limits 0,0 is correct, and then the upper limits should be 68 foot. Oops, have to do that again. 68 foot, comma 44 foot, 44 feet. Now our limits are set. We're going to set our scale factor, line type scale 48. They've asked us to do this to start out. I'm going to zoom all, and I'm going to set my annotation scale factor to the correct quarter inch equals 1 foot. So now they're asking us for this template to set the line type scale LTS to 24. So we'll change that to 24. I'm going to change our grid snap and change our snap to 6 inches and our grid to 1 foot. You notice in here in your snap settings where it says equal X and Y spacing, that's what controls and forces your equal X and Y spacing. You click this off, you can type 2 different dimensions in your snap and also your grid spacing. Click it back and it keeps them the same. Next, we're going to set our grid display to 0. We type in grid display, GRIDD. Oh, I accidentally clicked help. Change that to 0. Next, we're going to turn on our snapping modes at the bottom of our screen. So our snap is on, our grid's on, our polar tracking is on, and our object set snap is set to endpoint. I'm going to use the status bar here, status, S-T-A-T-U-S. Tells me my settings. I'm done with that. And now we're going to save our template. So we do a file. First we're going to go ahead and save the drawing file, but now we're going to save as a drawing template. And I'm going to go ahead and let this be in my template directory, but you're going to want to save this to your own flash drive or your own space where you can find that and back it up so you can submit your file. Desn101 is what I'm going to put in here for description. And I'm now done. Now, they tell us to go ahead and start a new file with the template. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to do File, New, and navigate to my template. Here's my template, the architectural template. Open that, and now my file comes in. You can see now that it comes in as the next drawing. In my case, drawing 3, it's the third one of the day. And we have successfully created our template, and it works.